Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to create a new ad account on Facebook or Meta Ads Manager. So first you have to log on to your business.facebook.com and then you find this kind of page, and then you have to select your business account. For example, this is my business account, and then I want to add another ad account. This click one on the account section. You can see add accounts. You can see on the right side here, on the center side, you can add, and then you can click create new ad account. Okay, after that you put the name of your ad account. For example, this one example, and then choose your time zone and then the currency, and then you follow the steps of instructed by this Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on below this video. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.